Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Now in today's video, I'm bringing to you a new way of making money online, right? So what you get from this site is called XP, and then the minimum withdrawal here is $4. That means, so before you spend time on this app, you definitely know that it's definitely paying. All right, so according to my review, or I've done some review and I've seen that it's paying. That's why I brought it to you. So as you can see here, what you have to do is just for you to mine, all right, daily mining. So let's go and let me show you how you can use this app. All right, so as you can see here, I have zero here because it is a new account I just created. I'm going to leave the link in my description or in my Telegram channel so you can join. Also check the comment section for you to get the link for you to sign up. All right, so come on, we are going to hit on where to, as you can see here, they said claim now. All right, I'm going to hit on that. So I have gotten a ticket, right? So it said you can upgrade your grid to whatever. I don't want to upgrade. Please don't upgrade. Do it for free, make your money for free, and withdraw for free. Let's go on. So I'm going to scroll down, and then you see here you have some tags you can do. I've done a lot of tags though, but these are the tags you can do for you to earn more. All right, so let's click on this earn button. As you can see here, these are things you can do. I'm just this one, I did this one, and this one is still open. So you can just click on these tags and just do it. All right, as simple as that. So let's click on home again. All right, so let's scroll down and see what we have. Now what really happens here is that you can definitely check in here. You can check in and then you get 100 XP. All right, 100 XP. So I'm going to claim this reward as day one. All right, reward claim. Now let me take you to a place where you can definitely earn very well again. That is a referral dashboard. All right, now as you can see, if you make a one referral, right, you have what it has to be paid to you. So you're going to earn, like, if you make one referral, you're going to earn like 10% of every friend you refer, and what they are paying you with is called XP. All right, they will pay you with XP. All right, so you can just copy the link here and share, or probably just share to your friends. As you can see, I have one key, and then have 1600 XP, and have one tag. All right, so let's go back home. Now for the home pod, you can see here you have one key, you have one ticket. All right, so and there are places where you can spin. So this place here, you see, you can definitely spin, and you can team up so that you guys can earn together. So let's spin and see what comes up. All right, so let's hit on spin. Let's see what's going to come. I just hit on spin. All right, it's spinning, and let's see. Okay, it gave me 1 cent. All right, it gave me 0.01 dollar. All right, so I'm just going to hit outside the box, and then this is going to reflect. Now the spin is now showing 0. All right, that means I can't spin again. All right, so since I can't spin again, I can also just go back, scroll down. Let's see, look at earning boards. Look and see what people are really earning from it. So that shows it's paying. So the next time you're getting another ticket for you to spin is like in 57 minutes. So every 1 hour you can come here and claim your spin. All right, you claim your spin 1 hour, and it's making sense. When you come here 1 hour, you will be able to spin. All right, you can also check in daily. All right, so guys, let's see how you can make withdrawals. So let's check it out. So this is what I have now. I have 0.01 USDT. All right, so which means that if I thought I want to place a withdrawal, I would make sure that I have up to, you can even, whatever coin you have, right, you can convert it. All right, and you can place your withdrawal. So as you can see here, minimum withdrawal is $5. Right, minimum withdrawal is $5. So you just have to paste your wallet address here under BS, and then you paste the amount here. So network fee, there's no network fee. So immediately you make up to that $5, you can place your withdrawal here and get your money ASAP. All right, guys, this is a new update and it's trending now, so I believe you should hop in and do more with this app. All right, guys, see you on my next video. I'm going to post how I was able to make the withdrawal from this particular website. All right, guys, see you.